beards, beers, and butt cracks. We are back, guys. You guys asked for it. So, the nickname is Bullet. Reason it's nicknamed Bullet is I got a wild hair, decided to shoot it up. Got some 22s, some 45s. Some 9s. But what we are going to do is start stripping it down. You guys are gonna have to be patient with me as we strip it down. I gotta get funding together. You gotta like, subscribe, comment. We're gonna start stripping this vehicle down. Ooh, look at that one. Nickname is Bullet. This will be the drifter slash drag racer all-around fun car. So we got our tools out here and we about to start tearing her down. We're gonna save some parts, but we're gonna strip it all down. So we're gonna set up the camera. It's gonna be some time lapse. I'll probably do voiceover on it as we work on it. And then when it gets darker, as the sun goes down, I will have a tutorial on adjusting projector lenses on the wife's Yukon. So this is what we're working with. I've already started working on this. Raw parts for this, for another one. Let me see where I put some of the parts in here. Like I said, we gotta tear it down. We're gonna LS swap it. Pull the dash out. Put a cage. Put racing seats in there. Put a Holly Dominator in there. Right now, it does not have a transmission. I had to rob the transmission out of it to put in another car that I had. Like I said, it's been a parts donor. But I gotta get some coilovers, get the new K member for it.